Let me grab my gloves too. Alright, welcome everybody to Extreme Card Breaks, where we're doing the 6-box break at 2017 Tier 1. Everybody's on the screen. It has teams. Let me go ahead and get the things cut. There's a top angle view, so you guys can always see top box. There are 6 total here. I do wear gloves. Everything ships out on Monday. In 1 second, let's get the gloves on. We're busting. Good luck to everybody in the break. Thank you for the quick payments, as always. I do appreciate it. And got a new camera angle, so I've been working with it here till I perfect it. Alright, up first, Toronto Blue Jays. Josh Donaldson, 1-color jersey out of 331. Pull it up here to get a little bit of nameage going there. There will be a recap at the end if you do miss the video and you just want to watch the recap. Up next, Dodgers, Kenta Maeda out of 65 auto. See if I can get that. There we go. Dodgers on the board. Hey, thanks. Yeah, I've been playing around with it, trying to figure out where I want to go with it all. Up next for the Astros, trying to see if it was his rookie. No, last year was A.J. Reed out of 300 auto. Get up here. All right, on the box 2. All right, up first, Cardinals, Stephen Piscotty jersey out of 331. All right, up next, gold auto out of 75 for the Cleveland Indians, Carlos Carrasco. I'll pull the name up just so you guys can see it. There we go. Nice looking card. I love the gold signatures on black. Up next, Colorado Rockies. Tapia out of 200 rookie card. Rockies on the board. Is that 100? Yeah. Box number 3. Feels a little lighter than the last one. Corey Seager for the Dodgers. Game used bat, dual color jersey out of 25. That is a nice card. I mean, the only thing missing is an auto with it. This stuff is nice. Up next, Boston Red Sox. Drew Pomeranz out of 200 auto. Try to get the name up here. We go. I think the camera's been focusing on the Thompson symbol here too much. Maybe I just need to go all dark up front. Wow. Cases are like packed in there. Wow. These all like that? No, it's the first couple. Alright. Pitchies. Look at that, man. That's how they set them. All bent like a dang U. Alright, Oakland Athletics. This guy is becoming famous for you guys. Cotton out of 300. And I'm like, look at every one of these as they come out. You don't want that curve in your cards. Alright. Box number 4. It was a little bit heavier. Wow, it like really is heavy. Something thick in here. Oh yeah, something thick. Something thick. Up first, Detroit Tigers, Miguel Cabrera out of 331. For Tampa Bay, Kevin Kiermaier out of 60 auto. Try to get the name up here so you guys can see it. That's the name. Tampa Bay Rays, unowned. It was in a Marlins, D-backs, and that's okay. Up next, Tampa Bay goes to strikes again. Blake Snell out of 300 auto. Box number 5. Good luck, good luck, good luck. See when it feels a little bit heavier. Come on, be something like a knob in there. Uh-oh. Ah. Thought it was something bigger. Up first for the Yankees, out of 200, Derek Jeter jersey. Jeter. Everybody likes him some Jeter. Dodgers. Maeda rookie. Maeda auto out of 60. Name's way up on top there. Oh, what's this one? Giants, Ty Block, rookie, 295 auto. Trying to get the name to show. There it is. All right, last box coming up. Good luck, everybody. Do a recap real quick at the end. You never know. Could be like a Mike Schmidt something in here. Okay, that didn't want to come out right. This is thick compared to the other ones. Wow. 4 cards. We had a 4-carder. Up first, Tampa Bay, unsold team, jersey of Chris Archer. Up next for the Texas Rangers, Odor jersey out of 331. Or Odor, however they say it. I'll just try to pronounce it more French or something there. Up next, auto. New York Mets, Familia. Show you the name. And that's out of 300. Well, the last one ain't the one you wanted. I know that by looking at it. For the Yankees, Tyler Austin, rookie out of 300. Oh, I almost had it perfect with the penny sleeves. What? I don't want to go in there. Huh. They cut this one too big. All right, quick recap here. Yankees, Tyler Austin. Mets, Familia. Odor for the Rangers. Archer for the Rays. Block for the Giants. Maeda for Dodgers. Jeter, Yankees. Schnell, Rays. All right, man, I'll see you in a little bit. I'll probably pop in there. Rays, Kieran Mayer. Tigers, Cabrera. Cotton for the A's. Red Sox, Pomeranz. Corey Seager. Tapia for the Rockies. Indians, Carrasco. Cardinals, Piscotty. Astros, A.J. Reed. Maeda, again, auto for Dodgers. Last card, Blue Jays, Donaldson. We'll have another 6-boxer this next weekend. It'll be on eBay going tomorrow night. In case anybody gets interested, teams are on pre-sale inside. Let me plop over here. Oh, probably would help if I went on my channel originally. Make sure nobody had anything on break or on here. All right, I'm going to close her down. Thank you, everybody. Cards will be out on Monday. If you went hitless, as I said, it will be refunded tonight. Thank you. Thank you.